Hey everyone, Courtney here with Southern Owls. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making some matching bows. This is so beautiful. These are going to go on my clients' lanterns outside. So come along with me. We're going to use the M Bow and Go maker today. You can grab your M Bow and Go maker from TMIGifts.com. Make sure you use code OWL20 and you'll get 20% off your bow maker. Okay, I'm going to start off. I'm going to dovetail my end. So we're just going to fold that in half. And, ooh, that's kind of ugly. Cut up at an angle. Cut at an angle. And we're going to do 18-inch tails. And we're just going to lay that. We're going to pinch it and lay it right into our bow maker. We're going to twist that ribbon so it's on the wrong side. And for these loops, I am going to start out at the 9. So I'm going to put my hand right at 9 inches on my bow maker. And we're going to pinch and put it right in between our dowel rods and twist. We're going to do the same thing over on this side. I didn't realize, let me put Jill over here. There we go. Same thing over on this side. We're going to measure at the 9. Put our hand right there. And then we're going to bring that loop back around and pinch it so it goes right into the middle. And twist it so it's facing the right direction. And then we're going to go down and we're going to match our tails at 18 inches. I'm going to fold it in half and dovetail it just like that. Okay, so now we are going to grab our next roll of ribbon. And I'm going to dovetail the end of this one, fold in half, cut up at an angle, and we're going to lay this right on top of what we just made, right in the dowels. I'm going to make the tail a little bit shorter though, so you can see the difference in the layers of the tails. Okay, so pinch and twist it, and we're going to measure at 9 inches. Let's see if I can use this little, nope. I want to use that dowel so bad. 9 inches, pinch it right into those dowels and lay it in. Give your ribbon a twist. Over here, 9 inches, lay your hand down, put it in those dowels, pinch it, and then we're going to swing it down and around over here. We're going to grab our scissors and snip it about 17 inches. And we're just going to dovetail it. We're going to grab our next ribbon, which is this really fun candy cane ribbon. Dovetail, lay it right on top. We're going to go a little bit shorter with this tail again, just so we can see all the different layers of our tails. And now I'm going to spread these out into an X pattern just a little bit so I can read my ruler again on my bow maker. And we're going to shrink down our loops to 8 inches. So I'll put my hand right there, measure out 8 inches, twist, pinch and twist. And we're going to do 8 inches over here. I know, it's okay. I want to use all the ribbon. So we're just going to do a fake tail. It's going to be fine. Pinch it. Lay it right in there. We got to be careful though that tail doesn't come out later. And cut this off at an angle. There we go. Dovetail it. Now we're going to grab, this was all 2.5 inch ribbon. Now we are going to grab our 1.5 inch ribbon. And we're going to still do that long tail. A little bit shorter though, just so we can see all the layers. Pinch it, twist it so it's the upside down. And we're going to measure 7. We're going to do 7-inch loops. I think I can put this on here now. Haha. 7 inches, pinch, twist, We're shrinking it down again. 7. Pinch. Let it come all the way down and dovetail that in. We're going to grab another 1.5 inch. Lay it right down. Ooh. I'm going to go a little bit shorter again. Fold that ribbon in half. Cut at an angle to get that nice dovetail. And this one's going to be 7 inches again. So just lay your hand down on top of the ribbon at the 7. Pinch. Twist that ribbon. Lay it down. Measure at the 7. Pinch and pull all the way down. And then you're going to dovetail that. And then we're just going to come in and we're going to do, let me dovetail this. We're going to dovetail and we're going to do that center loop. And we're only going to do one tail of this ribbon. So we're going to lay it right down in there, do one tail, and then we're going to flip it to the opposite direction. And I'm going to flip it over my fingers like a racetrack, right? Over the dowels. See how I do that? Over the dowels. And pinch it right back into the dowels. And I'm going to do it just so it's right above the dowels on the bow maker. And we're going to give myself about 1 inch and just trim that off. Ooh, sorry, that was squeaky. So we're going to grab a cable tie and a pipe cleaner. And carefully, I'm going to pinch the middle, scoop it up, grab that cable tie, go around my bow, get it almost all the way snug, and then you're going to slide that pipe cleaner right in there. Give it really nice and tight. We're going to use our nippers and cut that off. And then what I like to do is I like to lay it down on my table and just fluff everything out. So I'm just going to put my hands in those loops and make sure that I'm pulling everything out, fluffing up those loops that we made because it was smushed on our bow maker. And I'm going to cut this little guy off, that the ribbon that I ran out of just a little bit. That's okay. And we did that extra little tail. So now no one knows besides me and you on this tutorial. And now we have another beautiful bow to go on my client's lantern. Isn't that so fun? So gorgeous. So whimsy. I love this color scheme because it really just matches with everything, right? Super cute, super fun. I hope you enjoyed this little bow tutorial using the M Bow and Go Maker. I will link this in the description of the video. So you can go and snag one at tmigifts.com. Don't forget to use code AL20 and you'll receive 20% off your entire order. Thanks for hanging out with me on my channel. Please like and subscribe if you're into this kind of content. I would love to have you here, and I can't wait to craft with y'all again soon. Bye, everyone.